Hi guys, Stephanie here from All Mom Does. I just got home from work and I'm gonna make my lunch for tomorrow. I try to bring my lunch at least 4, if not all 5 days a week into the office just to save money. And this lunch I have currently been super obsessed with for some reason. It's high protein and super easy to throw together. So I'm gonna show you how you make it. I've been having it like 3 days a week for lunch. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need cottage cheese, which I know a lot of you immediately are like, ew, I'm out. This cottage cheese, Good Culture, is the best. If you don't like cottage cheese, try Good Culture. It is my favorite. I use the low-fat cottage cheese, Good Culture. You're gonna need about a half cup to a cup, and today I'm just gonna use what I have left in here, which is probably about 3/4 of a cup. So you're gonna need cottage cheese. You're gonna need pizza sauce. This is just Trader Joe's, any kind of pizza sauce. Other than that, everything else is optional. You're just gonna pick your favorite pizza toppings essentially, because we're gonna be making a little pizza in a bowl, low carb, because you're not putting any bread in it. So in addition to my cottage cheese and my pizza sauce, I'm gonna put a little bit of this cheese. I've got some pineapple. I like pineapple on pizza, so I'm gonna cut some of that up. I might not heat it up, but I might put it in after. I've got diced onions. I love these diced onions from Trader Joe's because they come diced, so it's super easy. I buy these every single week for recipes. I'm also gonna throw in some olives that I have here. I really like this turkey pepperoni. It's just like the cheap kind, but I love it. So I'm gonna slice some of that up. So that with the cottage cheese and the pepperoni makes for a really high protein meal as well. The other thing that's optional, I always put in a little bit of flour. This just helps with absorbing some of the liquid, but you don't need to use it. So let me go ahead and show you what I do. So it's super simple. All you're gonna do is literally just pour everything together in one bowl. So I'm gonna start with my cottage cheese. I really like olives, so I threw in quite a few, but I'm gonna put olives in there. I then have my pepperoni chopped up, and then I decided to throw in some bell pepper, that I had in the fridge as well. So that's just gonna go right. I sprinkled in some of my onion. Sorry, coworkers, I do like onion, so those went in. And then next I'm gonna put in my pizza sauce. So I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons in. This is about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna mix it up and then see if I wanna put any more in. So 2 tablespoons was actually pretty good for this. You could maybe put in a little bit less. I like the pizza sauce, so I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm now gonna sprinkle on that cheddar cheese. I'm gonna end up mixing this in, so you can just kind of plop it down. I don't know how much I put on, a good sprinkle. Then if you want, again, to soak up any of the liquid, you can put a little bit of flour in, like maybe half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. Okay, so I know this doesn't look appetizing, but just trust the process. So lastly, I'm gonna put in some red pepper flakes because I like a little bit of spice. And then I'm gonna put in this pizza sprinkle seasoning that I saw at Trader Joe's and looks good. And that's really all. So here you have it. I popped the lid on. I'm gonna bring this to work in the morning. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about a minute, stir it up, and then another 30 seconds. And then I have my pineapple that I'm gonna put on top. Hope you enjoy and follow All Mom Does for additional tips, tricks, and daily inspiration.